Morning everybody, it's Sean with Deer Addiction. This video is going to show a 6 foot by 6 foot blind that I built this year. We called it Frank because we used different types of metal colors, and so we call it Frankenblind. So I did show a little bit of the initial build in the middle of the summer this year,
but I wanted to show you what we ended up with at the end of this year. Well, had the walls built since last fall, but not up there. Now they're up there. And I've got the slight angle built there. Right on the top there, you can see a slight angle and corresponding there. Hopefully that matches up. And this will be a really nice 6 foot by 6 foot blind. I did do a little bit of a video last fall. These are 4x4s, and then I bought those whatever those are called, the elevators or the brackets off of Amazon. I think I paid about 60 bucks, and have them all lagged into the 2x8, which is treated. And then underneath I used non-treated 2x6s, except for the exterior, which is treated. So hopefully that should do the trick. It's on 16 on center. I'm doing 2x2 construction, except for the corners, which are 2x4. And then this is going to be a metal exterior, I believe. And then I did the wooden ladder. All right, that's enough for today. We'll get back at it on another day. Well, we got her under metal roof. All right, John here, back with Rookie Luck. Cuba Slayer.
It's been 3 years. I don't think I'm in Rookie Luck no more.
That's your name. You're
All
stuck
right.
with it.
All right.
I don't know. You got another name? Cuba?
No, we'll come up with something though.
Yeah. Killer?
Yep.
I don't know. He's got to be sent. That's your sister.
My sister.
We got the third blind here. We built the 2-man blind for Cuba and his sister. They've killed one button buck out of it. And I think that's it. Yeah. And then we built the 1-man blind that 2 people got in, and Steve and his boy Logan got bucks last year. We're working on a 3rd blind. We got the base done last fall. I put the walls and the roof up earlier this spring. Now we're finally going to put some windows and maybe put a little tent up today. So follow along. That's what's happening today. Close. Got the metal up. It's not good metal work, but it's work. It's dirty. It's 2-tone in spots. It's mismatch. It's not great, but it's gonna kill deer. Got the chairs in, got some flooring in to dampen the sound. Most of the holes fixed, still a couple little holes needing some filling, but could be a little noisy in a rainstorm, but it's better than sitting in the cold or the rain. And there's no holes in the ceiling. All right, the first official sit. It is November 11th. I'll show you our blind. It's kind of dirty inside from laying down on the leaves and mud when we're doing it. We still have a few holes. Eventually we're gonna film the inside. This just ran out of time like always. We don't have great trails yet, but booking some shooting lanes before rifle season. But I'm gonna sit down, get quiet. Got 2 deer here. I wanna make sure, I'm gonna get ready.
So that's the build of Frank. Coming up, we have to put insulation in. I'm going to put an 1.5 inch insulation to deaden the sound so it doesn't echo quite as much with the metal building, and also an 1.5 inch of insulation underneath the rubber pad on the floor so that it's less loud.
Well, thanks for following along on the build. Give me your critiques. Give me your thumbs ups. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.